This is the moment every flight builds toward. Takeoff, seen straight from the pilot's seat.
The nose lifts and we are flying.
The airplane rolls onto the runway and lines up with the centerline. Ahead, nothing but open pavement and sky. The pilot smoothly pushes the throttle all the way forward. The engine roars up to full power. The acceleration. The pilot keeps it straight with the rudder as the airplane gathers speed. At just the right moment, a gentle pull back, and the wheels leave the ground. That's called rotation. Now we're flying. The nose points to the sky and the airplane climbs away from the runway.
And here's another one, because takeoffs never get old. Watch the ground fall away as the airplane climbs into the morning air.
And because one takeoff is never enough, here's another, same runway, same rush, the pilot's point of view. Power, rotate, climb. It never ever gets old. Next, the climb out over open country. Aviation lab. Dream, learn, fly.